Welcome to the ultimate guide for the best ZE Super 12 volts electric truck winch kit of the year. This powerhouse boasts a waterproof IP67 rating, ensuring durability in any condition. Equipped with a state-of-the-art 500 amp solenoid valve, it guarantees optimal performance. With a remarkable speed of 25.2 feet per minute when empty and 7 feet per minute when fully loaded, this winch is the pinnacle of efficiency. Elevate your trucking experience with the best-in-class ZE Super winch. Designed for the toughest challenges on and off the road, this state-of-the-art winch boasts a waterproof IP67 rating, ensuring durability in any weather condition. The 500A solenoid valve provides seamless operation, guaranteeing reliability when you need it most. With a remarkable line speed of 25.2 feet per minute when empty and 7 feet per minute when fully loaded, the ZE Super winch delivers quick and efficient recovery. Its waterproof and sandproof construction adds an extra layer of resilience, although it's important to note that this winch is not recommended for use underwater. One standout feature is the unique brake design, offering excellent control during towing operations. The wired remote control and wireless remote control options give you the flexibility to operate the winch from up to 65 feet away. The wireless remote control even features an indicator light, enabling easy control in the dark. The 12V District of Columbia 6.4 HP series motor, delivering an impressive 13,000 pounds of pull through its 3-stage planetary gear system with a gear ratio of 265:1. Whether you find yourself stuck in mud, snow, or rough terrain, this winch is your reliable companion for recovery. The ZE Super winch comes complete with minimum 2-gauge battery cables, ensuring a strong and stable power connection. Weighing in at 27 kilograms, it's a compact yet powerful solution for your car. The 0.375 inches by 80 feet synthetic rope, with a length of 10 mm 24 meters, adds versatility to your recovery operations. As a testament to ZE Super's commitment to customer satisfaction, the winch includes lifetime technical support. Additionally, the improved clutch lever makes cutting or transferring power from the engine output a breeze. Gear up for unmatched performance and reliability with the ZE Super 12 volts electric truck winch kit, the ultimate companion for off-road enthusiasts and professionals alike. We hope this review provided valuable insights and helped you make an informed decision. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. Make sure to click the links below for more information. Feel free to share your thoughts in the comments below.